how to use a locker in Japan, such as the one at a train station. This video will show you how. Let's go to a train station. First, pick a locker you want. Different sizes have different prices. Let's try the small one on the top, for instance. Open the door and put your stuff inside. Close the door, then press down the button. You will see a blinking green light, and the screen will initiate the process. At this point, you can choose English on the screen.
Please place your baggage into a locker in accordance with the information on the screen.
Choose the locker number where you put your stuff inside on the
Please
screen.
select the locker in which you have placed.
I am going to pay with my IC card in my
Please
phone.
tap your IC card to make your payment. Your usage receipt is now being issued. Please take your usage receipt.
Collect
Please take
and keep
your
the
usage
receipt, which is very important if you pay by cash.
Thank you.
So, how to get my items back? Choose Retrieve Items on the screen, the icon on the right. Choose IC card on the screen and touch the device with the same IC card you used to pay earlier. The locker will be unlocked for you. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you all next time.